up, everybody? Chef Seymour here, and today we're going to be making burgers. The things that you will need to make burgers are your burger patty, your tomato and onion, your lettuce, your sriracha, your mayonnaise, your butter, Parmesan cheese, parsley, and garlic. And to go along with our burger, we're going to make homemade fries. So here I have 2 potatoes. And also to go along with that, we're going to be making a drink. Here I have some margarita mix and cut up strawberries. Yes, this margarita mix is indeed kid friendly. And finally, our burger bun. Now let's place our patty on the grill. Make sure to set your grill to 350. Now let's make our fries. The first thing we're going to do is that we're going to slice our potato in half. Then we're going to also slice it in half again, taking off the back part. Then we're going to cut into fry shapes. Now that we are done cutting our potatoes into fries, time to cook. In a small skillet, melt 1 tablespoon of butter and then drop both sides of the buns so they can toast to be golden brown. Now let's cut up our topping. So first, we're going to cut up our onion. And here I have a mandolin slicer that helps all your toppings be cut evenly. So now let's slice our onion. Now, we're going to caramelize our onion. So here we have our onion slices that we chopped up earlier. And now we're going to let them cook with 1 tablespoon of butter in our skillet. Now, to make our fries have a little flavor, we're going to be making some garlic parmesan sauce. So what you need to make garlic parmesan sauce is, of course, some butter, Parmesan cheese, parsley, and garlic. So, you're going to take 3 tablespoons of butter and put it in a bowl. 2 handfuls of Parmesan cheese. 5 shakes of parsley. And finally, a spoonful of roasted garlic. Now take all the things that you put in the bowl and microwave it for 1 minute. Now that everything for our fries is done, I've taken the liberty beforehand to put our fries in a bowl, and now it's time to dress them. So take your garlic parmesan sauce and pour it into the bowl over the fries. And then to add a little more of that Parmesan flavor, add a pinch of Parmesan cheese and shake it up. Now, a burger needs a good sauce, so we're going to make a sriracha mayo. So take 1 spoonful of mayonnaise. Actually, make that 2 spoonfuls. And then a lot of sriracha. We want that spice. Now mix it up. And bam! We have our sriracha mayo. Now, let's make our drink. So here I have a 2/3 cup of margarita mix, blender cup full of ice, and our strawberries. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour the margarita mix into the cup of ice. And add all of the strawberries. Then we're gonna blend it. Voila! We have our margarita. And now that everything's all done, let's make this burger. So first we're gonna take our sriracha mayo that we made. Gonna smooth it out on the patty. Then our burger patty, our toppings, our lettuce, our tomato, and finally our grilled onions. Now let's add our fries. Now that everything's assembled, let's taste. Good taste on the burger. Try a couple fries. And now, to wash all that down, let's try our strawberry margarita. That's good. I want to thank you guys for watching today's episode. I love you, and I'm out.
DaveJones.com